Hello reception, it's Pirate Miss Adams here today, and today we're going to be learning how to make a boat, and I'm making a boat for a pirate today. Now usually when we're at school we think about something called the Metacognition Cycle, which helps us to think about our learning. So today I've got one which is all about boat making, and it's top tips for boat making. There are 5 top tips for us to follow. So we're going to read through them and then we'll break down each step so that we know what we need to do. So the first one says to think of a design. Number 2 is to select the materials that you need. So some of these things you'll probably be able to find in your recycling. Number 3 is to decide how to fix things together. Number 4 is really important. It's to check that your boat floats, because we don't want our pirates to sink, do we? Number 5 is to change the design if we need to. So if something's not working with our boat, if it's not quite right, then we can change it and make it better. Okay, so the first step then, the first tip, is to think of a design. Now I've thought about my design already, and I've drawn it on a piece of paper so that I know what I need to use. So at home, you could have a go at drawing your boat design too. So on here it says Miss Adams Pirate Boat, and the main thing that I'm using is this plastic tub. So I've drawn an arrow, so I've labelled my picture, it says plastic tub. Then these little circles I've labelled as sequins, because I might want to put some sequins on my boat. Here I want to make a flag, and I need some cardboard to do that, cardboard flag. And then over here I've put a toilet roll, and I might try and make this toilet roll into a pirate for my boat. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is draw what you think your pirate boat might look like, what you'd like it to look like, and then you could see if you've got anything at home that you could use to make your pirate boat, and you could label your design. Number 2 on my list of top tips for boat making is to select the materials that I need. So I've laid out everything that I'm going to be using to make my boat. I've got a cereal packet for the cardboard so I can make my flag. I've got my plastic tub, a toilet roll, some sequins, some sellotape, some scissors, some glue and some felt tip pens. But you could use colouring pencils, or you might have paint at your house. The first thing I'm going to do is stick my sequins onto my plastic tub. I have stuck my sequins onto my plastic tub using glue, so I'm thinking about step 3, how to fix things together. Next I'm going to make the flag. For my flag I have cut out 2 rectangles from this cereal box, and now I'm going to decorate, so I'm going to colour in these 2 pieces of cardboard and I'm going to stick them together. Now that I have decorated my flag, it looks like this. And it's going to go onto my pirate boat, so I'm going to stick it on there next. I stuck the 2 pieces of cardboard together using glue, and it says hello because the pirate that's going to be in my boat is a friendly pirate. I have stuck my flag into my pirate boat, and now it looks like this. The next thing I'm going to do is turn this toilet roll into a pirate, and here is one I made earlier. There he is. I used some strips of paper from an old magazine, so I've got blue, white, blue, white. Then I just used one of my black felt tip pens to draw a face on him, and I used some more of the cardboard from the cereal pack to make his pirate hat. See if you can make one at home. Now here is my finished pirate boat. I've not stuck the pirate in because I might want to play with him after I finish making my boat. So when we go and check that it floats, we're going to pop him in and see if it floats with him in. So now it's time to do step 4. We need to go and find out if our boat will float. Right, now it's time for step 4 to see if my boat floats. I filled up the bath with a little bit of water, and now I'm going to put the boat in. There we go, it's floating. Right, now it's time to get my pirate and see if it still floats when he goes in. Here he comes. Let's pop him in the boat. Oh yes, it is still floating. Wow. I wonder if you've got any toys at home that would like to join your pirate in your boat. I've got a little dolly here, and her name is Belinda, and she's going to have a go at going in the boat. Here she goes. Oh wow, look at boat. On the boat. Oh, they look like they're having a nice time, don't they? It's time to look at our last step, which is step 5, which is change the design if you need to. So I'm going to have a look at my boat now and have a think what I would change about it. I do really like it, but maybe I could decorate it a bit more. I could put some more sequins maybe around the other sides, and maybe I'd change the message on my flag. But it floats, and that was the main thing, so that's really good. And I think our pirate really enjoyed having a little float on the boat. I hope you enjoy having a go at making your boat at home, and I'd love to see some pictures on DB Primary. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.